Hi everyone, I'm Shamsia Suhaibu. Welcome back to my math class. Today I'm going to explain addition with three-digit numbers using number lines. We will start by learning how to add using number line. Then I will show you how to add mentally, especially when a number is close to a multiple of 10. So let's get started and make addition easy and fun. Okay, I'll explain it with an example. First one, 742 plus 32. 32. We need to find the multiple of 10 which is close to this number. So 30 is a multiple of 10 close to 32. So 742. 32 means it is 30 plus 2. So we will add it in such a way 742 plus 30, which is 772, and then we add 2. So if you add like this, it is easy to do the calculation. It becomes 772 plus 2, that is 774, which is the answer. Okay, over to the next question. 263 plus 29. We have to find the multiple of 10 which is close to 29. No doubt that is 30. But you need only 29. You took 30. So you need to subtract. Subtract which number? Yes, you are correct, 1. Then it becomes 30 minus 1 become 29. So the addition becomes easy when you do like this. So 263, you will add 30. When it is a multiple of 10, it is easy to add it. So when you add it, here 6 and 3. So it becomes 293. And then you need to subtract 1. So if you subtract 1, that becomes 293 minus 1, which is 292. Look how fast I found this. So it is very easy to add 263 plus 29 if you use this trick. Now we have got a three-digit number. Again, we need to add it with another three-digit number. So again, we need to find the multiple of 10 which is close to this number. So multiple of 10 close to 199 is 200. But I need only 199. I took 200. So what should I do? Yes, I should subtract 1. So 257. First, I need to add 200. When I add 200, addition of 200 is easy. 2. So it is 457. But I need to subtract 1. So subtracting 1, it becomes 456. Look how easy it became. So 257 plus 199 is 456. I think it is clear. Now without the number line, we will see how we can do the calculation very easily with the same trick. My first question, 572 plus 27. Again, you need to find the multiple of 10 which is close to this number. Which is the multiple of 10 close to 27? Yes, 30. But I need only 27. I don't want 30. So what should I do? I need to remove 3. Yes. So you will add, instead of 27, you will be using 30 minus 3. So 572 plus 30. So what is it? 570 plus 30 is 600. So 602. From 602, you need to subtract 3. So that becomes, from 602, you need to subtract 3. So you can subtract 2, it becomes 600. Again, you need to subtract 1, so that becomes 599. Look, it's easy now, right? Now you have to add 32 to 109. So again, we need to see the multiple of 10 which is close to 32, which is 30. But I want 32. So what should I do? I need to add 2 more. So instead of 32, I'll be adding 30 and 2. So 109. First I will add 30. So it becomes 139. From that I need to add 2. So that becomes 141. You look how fast I got the answer without the actual addition of column method. Now here is my next question. 119 plus 48. Can you tell me the multiple of 10 which is close to 48? Yes, that is 50. But I need 48. I need only 48. I don't want 50. So what should I do? Yes, I need to subtract 2. So instead of adding with 48, instead of adding by 48, I will add 50 and then subtract 2. So my calculation, I can do it very easily. 119 plus 50 becomes here plus 50. It becomes 169. 169. From that I need to subtract 2. So it becomes 167. Look, math is really easy, right? Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.